Friends, my name is Alex, and I'm continue series of understanding how to do things in Metaverse. We're using Roomful Metaverse, and the purpose of this video is to understand how to populate your space, your room, with your content. First of all, if you have an editing rights to this room, for that you need to own this room or be invited as a co-owner or editor of this room, you will see a Design Tools tab on the left sidebar of your application. Let's click on the Design Tools. Inside the Design Tools, you will see many buttons, useful buttons to do all sorts of design and customizations of your space. The button that is interesting to us today is Add Photos and Videos button. By clicking on it, you will see that application opens some kind of tray down below, which is we're referring to sorting table, which you will be able to use to drag and drop pictures and videos from to your room. To add your content to the sorting table, we have to click the Add button. And the dialog allows you to bring your content from your computer or the web or NFT wallets, or you have some other exciting options. Let's go back to my computer option and click Browse Your Files. At this point, you can just look for your files. Let's say I'm in a graduation room, so I'm going to look for my graduation files, and I will choose all of them, and you will see there will be a preview which one to use. And let's say I don't like this one, and well, the rest are okay. So let's do upload. We will upload all the files in parallel, and once your files uploaded, you will see a nice finished status of each content. At this point, you can close your dialog. So if you notice something is happening now the Metaverse is actually processing your content, making sure that the content is coming in the correct formats, that there is no mistakes. We also build different type of resolution for this content, and so on and so forth. Once your content appear, now it's ready to be used. At this point, we can just drag and drop this content to your rooms. Let's say if you would drag this content, and the first thing you will see, the system actually wants to drag it to the room. Let's see. Let's say we're done for now, and let's see what just happened. Oh, this picture was uploaded as a standalone picture on the floor, and you know what? I don't like it. So at any point, you can always do undo. Undo button will undo your operation. So let's go back. Once we click Add Photos again, you will see that your tray, sorting table tray, is already fully formed, and you can actually do your operation again. Let's say I like specifically one picture which I really like, and I would like to reuse it. So I can pin this picture. So it means, and you will see a little pin icon here. And so at this point, if I drag this picture to the wall, and you will see that the minute I move to a different frames, it will allow me to drop it. So if I drop it here somewhere above on the wall, so it will be a standalone picture, but actually I can reuse the existing frames and drop it there. Let's see what happens. So drag and drop. So my picture was dragged to this wall, and actually it's not perfectly fitting to this wall. At this point, I can use edit menu or double clicking on the content itself and bring it to the correct position. So here we go. The picture is uploaded to the room so that everybody can see it. And anybody who is in this room now, he will be able to see that something actually changed. So let's go ahead and drag and drop all the pictures to the wall. And let's say we were going to reuse the existing pictures And let's see, I didn't have a space to move it, so let me just move this way. I'll upload this picture, and I'll upload this picture. Remember, the picture that I pinned was always staying there. And let's see if I upload this picture, what happens. Well, and I upload the second picture in the same space, what happened. So at this point, if you notice this picture acting as a slideshow. So if I go there, you will see that it's a slideshow. And you can upload as many pictures to the slideshow as you want. All right, so let's review what we just learned about drag and drop of photos and videos into your room. So we said that if you want to add your content, so you have to go to design tools, you have to use the add photos and videos buttons, you have to use add button to search for your content. You might search the public content for public pictures of graduation or any other things you can do. And sometimes it's good to reuse some existing art, which is free to use for us, and we can actually use this art like in some kind of interesting shape. So this way, okay. So voila. So we are ready to move to our next subject. Thank you very much.